This is the reusable electrostatic air filter. I have the 16 by 20 by 1 here, and I think these things are awesome. I just got a brand new heat pump. I bought one of these right away because in my last unit, I had one very similar to this, and I would schedule myself to blow it out once a month. It's great not having to deal with the paper ones and buying them a couple times a year. So when this thing arrived, it arrived in a flat box. I thought that these were originally corner protectors for shipping, but I see that you can put them on there if you have a different scenario than what I have. You know, some people might have a scenario where they're putting the filter straight in like this and need a little bit of extra room right there to secure it into place. In my case, I'm just sliding it into a unit, and I'm not going to need these, but kind of cool that that option's there if that's something you need. It has a 5-layer mesh structure. There's a couple of different filters inside of here. It's built to capture pollen, pet hair, dust, small particles. It's a MERV 8 filter, which is basically your standard household protection, from what I'm told. Depending on your particular unit, these filters are as easy to install as any other. It's really easy on mine. Mine just slides in, and I'll show you that. I think it's easier to install because of the metal frame, the aluminum frame. It doesn't flop around like the cardboard, and it's easier to fit into the slot that I needed to get into. On most of the units I've seen, you generally don't need any tools. My last unit had 2 latches on it, and my new one has a spring-loaded door on it, so really easy to put in. As far as cleaning these things go, like I said, I schedule myself to do it once a month, and I'll use a blower, like one of these, to blow it out. And if it gets really dusty, I'll use a low-level battery-powered leaf blower to blow it out. What's also cool about these is that they're washable. So a couple times a year, I'll hit it with a hose and I'll just let it air dry. You may want to do that, you know, more depending on how dirty yours gets, but you can also vacuum these out too if you wanted to. Another thing too, on a lot of your air filters, you see face this way, face that way. This one can go in any direction. That's the first one like this that I've had. Just take your old one out and you put the new one in. Mine has a little catch on here. Another thing I wanted to mention too is it's not exactly 16 by 20 by 1. It's about 15.5 by 19.75 by almost an inch. I can feel that it's covering the slot that it needs to go into. So perfect. There you go. Nice sturdy metal frame reusable air filter. I love these things. Very nice.